So how's everybody doing today?
Good.
Good. Cody's down here. You want to say hi? Come over here and say hi. Want to come say hi? Come right up here beside me and say hi. Hi.
Hi.
We are working on Simple Man's Poulan. Working on getting it tore down. So we got a new camera, if you haven't noticed. We picked up a GoPro. And the GoPro has a much wider camera angle. So it's easier to show what I'm doing. Cody's over here drawing pictures. Now with this new camera, I decided to pick up something else too. It's one of those headband thingies.
Yeah.
That might be able to get some interesting shots with that.
We need to do something like that.
Yeah, we will. This is a Poulan 245.
Yep.
We're building it for Simple Man. And I think he'll like the results. This diaphragm's almost hard as a rock. Look at where the jets are set. It tells me there's probably an air leak.
I see that.
Because the low is cranked way out and the high. Yep. That tells me there's probably an air leak in here somewhere. We're going to have to fix it while we're going.
Show the camera.
You want to show the camera? Bring it over here. See? Little heart.
Right, my little heart? I hope they say yes.
You hope they say yes.
Yeah. Now I'm going to show the camera, alright?
Okay. Show the camera.
Why is that twinkling?
Ding.
You say it,
Mommy? Does it say mommy?
No, it says me.
Mommy. Yeah, did good.
Now what about a Y?
Yep.
What does that spell?
I think you're getting stuff all over your fingers.
That's from that.
What's from what?
From the pen.
It's from the pen.
Yeah.
So, we're going to have to look for some spare parts. Say we need an oil pump. Let me, I'll take a close-up picture here for you guys.
Yep. I say yep to everything.
Geez, pretty ugly. There's no salvaging it. Just coming out in pieces. It's alright though, we'll figure something out. I'll talk to Simple Man. He might even have one. It's always fun tearing something apart for the first time.
What?
It's a learning experience.
I think it's fun.
It just is. So I have a 306, a Poulan 306 here. I'm wondering if it takes the same oil pump. I might have to look and see if it does.
Does the Megalodon have more fins?
Whew. Check it out. There's our bearing. Now, I'm not holding the center part very tight, but you can tell there's enough resistance. You know what I mean? Now let me push. Watch my fingertip. You can see my fingertip twist. You can still see it's. If I pinch it from both sides, I can hold it enough to turn it. Can you hear it? Look at my finger jiggle. So, we need to locate a bearing. The other side looks fine. And we got the oil pump issue here. So here's my new GoPro. I gave it a test run here, and battery lasted just about an hour. So I should probably get some spare batteries. I like the camera angle on it better. But let me pull this 306 up here. I just want to... All right, let me grab this 306. She looks the same. What do you think? She does look the same. From here, at least. Where's the rest of it? From what I can tell, there are differences though, so I don't know if it'll work. And the bearing on this one feels good, so I'll ask Simple Man if he wants to locate a new one, or if we'll just yeah, this bearing looks way, but this bearing on here looks almost new. Looks way better. I'll talk to Simple Man and see what he says. Maybe we'll just reuse this one. But I think that'll be it for today. If you're curious, here's the piston. No scoring. We had some low compression. I got all the bearings and stuff laying down inside of it. That's why I'm being careful. So I already got new rings. Cylinder looks good shape. No carbon or no carbon scoring or anything. So it looks like we're good to go there. I already got an idea of what I want to do in the transfers. But for now, y'all, let's figure out our solution for the bearing. I don't even know if the bearing from the 306 will work. You know, I won't know unless I try it, I guess. Let me see what Simple Man says. So, till the next time, later.